Angie, wait!
Can you get out of the middle of the aisle? We have a spray. Some air for now.
Yes! Move out of the aisle!
Move.
Don't fall.
I won't fall. Got this.
Get her dangerous.
Ready?
So crazy, huh?
Oh, she might need some right here.
Oh, yeah.